morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the dollar-yen, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The dollar-yen pair has fallen 0.4% in the last session. The Williams indicator has sunk into oversold territory. Bitcoin has added 2.4% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator moved sharply into the positive zone. The price of gold has gained 1.5% in the last session. The CCI has moved sharply into the positive zone. The price of crude oil has gained 1% in the last 3 sessions. The ADX has receded into the neutral area.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
New orders for key U.S.-made capital goods increased in July, suggesting the rebound in business investment would be gradual amid uncertainty about the course of the COVID-19 pandemic. Many new cryptocurrencies are seeing strong gains following the market-leading cryptocurrencies as more and more traders embrace DeFi. Australia's construction sector continues to limp along, a victim of the severe economic conditions, and the Aussie is struggling to find a direction.
Thank you for this. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The Eurozone's consumer confidence will be released at 700 GMT, the German GfK consumer climate at 400 GMT, the U.S. Michigan consumer sentiment at 1200 GMT, the Eurozone's business climate at 700 GMT, the U.S. wholesale inventories at 1030 GMT, and the Canadian GDP at 1030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.